Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello pupils, this is another mathematics class prepared by Mrs. Jimo from CTY International School, Ring Road, Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria. Today's topic is addition of three-digit numbers with regrouping. Let's say it, everyone. Addition of three-digit numbers with regrouping. Now let's see the examples. We have two examples. The first one says 367 plus 435. 367 plus 435. We are to start on our right hand side. Before we start, I want everyone to get paper and pencil. Have you all got paper and pencil? Now let's start. Under unit we have 7 and 5. Let's count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Please count in your paper. Let's count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, I want everyone to write down that 12 in his or her paper. Write 12 in your paper. Yes, have you all written 12? Okay, let's continue. You can see that 12 is written 1 and 2. 1 is on the left hand, while 2 is on the right hand. So the figure on your right hand will be written as your answer because we cannot put down the two-digit number we got here. 12 is two-digit number. 12 is two-digit numbers, and we cannot write 12 here. So we have to write one of the figures that made 12. 1 and 2 made 12. Or let me say 1 and 2 is 12. So 1 is on the left hand, 2 is on the right hand. Write 2. The figure on your right hand. Write it. What's the figure on your right hand? 2. Write it as your answer. It remains what? 1. That one will be kept on top of 6. The 6 under tens. Keep your 1 on top of 6 under tens. And you shouldn't write it longly. Write it shortly. Write it in your paper. Yes. Now let's continue. We are to count this one, count 6 and 3. You know the one that is written on top of your 6. Count it. Now let's count 1. Let's count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's add together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write down 10. 1 and 0, 10. Now, which figure is on right hand side? The figure on the right hand side is 0. So that 0 will be written as your answer. The one on your left hand side will be kept under hundreds. That means you are going to take 1 to this 3 that is written under 100. Write that 1 shortly on 3. Please try to do that in your paper. Have you written 1 on top of 3? Okay. Write it shortly. Don't make it long. Now, what we are to do now is to count this 1. You know the one I asked you to write on top of 3 under 100. Count it. Let's count 1. Now let's count this 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's add together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's your answer? Yes, our answer equals 8. That means 367 plus 435 equals 802. 367 plus 435 equals 802. Did you all get it right? Are you saying yes or no? Yes, I can hear some people saying yes. Now let's move to number 2. You will get it more now. Number 2 says 672 plus 159. Please write down this question in your paper. Write it in your paper. Please write. Have you all written it in your paper? Yes, let's continue. Don't forget that we are to start on our right hand side. What we have under unit there is 2 and 9. So we are to count 2 and 9. Please count 2 in your paper. Let's count 2 together. 1, 2. Let's count the second figure, which is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Please write down your answer. 11. I didn't say you should write your answer under unit. You know the question has been written in your paper. Now, write your answer separately. Write it separately. Write that 11 that you got separately. 2 plus 9 equals 11. 11 is written 1 and 1. 11. 1 and 1. 11. We have 1 on both right and the left hand side. So what is on our right hand is 1. So write that 1 as your answer. Then what is on the left hand side is also 1. Keep that 1 on top of 7 that is written under tens. Please do that in your paper. Don't make that 1 long. Write it shortly on top of this 7 that is written under tens. Have you written that 1 shortly? Okay. The next thing to do is to count the 1. Do you understand? You will count that 1 that you write shortly on top of 7. Let's count it now. 1. Let's count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 plus 7 plus 5 equals 13. So write 13. Write it aside in your paper. Write 1 and 3, 13. Okay, have you written 1 and 3? You can see that 1 is on the left hand, while 3 is on the right hand. So you are going to write the figure on your right hand as your answer. Write 3 now as your answer and keep 1 that is on your left hand. Keep that 1 on top of 6 that you have under 100, under this H. Have you written it in your paper? Now the next thing to do is to count 1. I made the 1 you counted now. Count 1. Count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count 1, 1. Let's add together. Did you get it? You are to, you kept 1 on top of 6. You are to count down 1. You count 6, then you count this 1 too, and add them together. Now let's do that. Let's count 1, 1. That means, I mean the 1 we kept on 6. Count it, 1. Count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count 1, 1. Now let's add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer equals 831. So 672 plus 159 equals 831. That's the final answer, 831. The answer to the question 672 plus 159 equals 831. Can you see how these two questions are solved now? Can you see how they are solved? Okay, that means if you are given any question on addition of 3-digit numbers with regrouping, you are going to solve the question this way. Whenever you add and you get 2-digit number, you will know that what you are given is with regrouping, not without regrouping. Is what? With regrouping. So you are to write a figure and keep the second figure. And which figure are you to write? You are to write the figure on the right hand side and keep the one on the left hand side on the figure that is written next to what you are solving. You know, when we started, we first solved what we have under unit. So if you have any remainder here, you will take it to tens. If there is remainder under tens, you will take it to 100. That's how to solve questions on addition of 3-digit numbers with regrouping. I hope it's understood. Please, your assignment will be sent to the assignment portal. Your assignment will be sent to the assignment portal. Thank you.